Thank you for choosing Simplified as your trusted partner when creating dental prosthetics. This presentation will guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up a case using your 3Shape intraoral camera and scanning software, providing key insights to help you achieve seamless, accurate results every time. This tutorial shows you how to set up a full arch implant case in a manner that will allow you to scan the teeth, gingiva, and scan bodies all in one order. To begin the setup, open a new case. On the left-hand side of the screen, select the bridge option. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Screw Retained. Next, you'll select the teeth that correspond with your implant placement. You'll then choose Pontic from the drop-down menu and select the remaining teeth you want included in the prosthesis. Now proceed to Section 2, Implant Connection. This is where you'll select the implant manufacturer, system, and connection type. To update the implant manufacturer, click on Manufacturer. A secondary drop-down menu will appear with a list of available options. Select the implant manufacturer that matches the implants being used. After selecting the implant manufacturer, you'll be prompted to choose the specific implant system and connection from the options provided. This process will need to be repeated for each implant site to ensure accurate selection. For quicker future selections, you can set up favorites within your system. Now proceed to Section 3, Material. In this section, you'll select the material type, and if applicable the desired shade. Otherwise, select I don't want to set a shade, then save your order data to complete this step. On the right-hand side of the screen, make sure to check the pre-preparation option under Additional Scans. This will allow you to scan the teeth, gingiva, and scan bodies all within a single case order. When scanning the teeth intraorally, it's best to keep the AI feature turned on to ensure accurate capture of the tooth surfaces. However, when scanning the interface between the bridge and the patient's gingiva, you'll want to turn the AI off. This allows the scanner to better capture the soft tissue detail without AI removing valuable anatomical data. To disable AI, simply tap the button at the bottom of the screen while the scanner is active. Alternatively, you can also turn off the AI setting when the scanner is turned off by navigating to the Tools menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Once inside the Tools menu, simply uncheck the AI scan option to disable it. You will now begin scanning. Always start by scanning the temporary teeth. When doing so, ensure you capture enough of the surrounding gingiva for the scans of the teeth and gingiva to properly mesh. Be sure to capture the palate, and when scanning the mandibular arch, try to capture the ridge behind the posterior teeth. This tends to provide the best results when the software meshes the lower scans. Do your best to clearly capture the junction between the prosthesis and the gingiva. Pro tip: capture the bite before proceeding with the gingiva and scan body scans. The software will prompt you to take both the left and right bite. Before starting the gingival scan, the software will prompt you to mark the implant locations. Once marked, the selected areas will appear highlighted in blue. Each implant site will be confirmed with a green check mark at the bottom of the screen. Press Done to proceed with the gingival scan. You'll notice that the previously blue marked areas will be cleared, allowing for a more accurate capture of the gingival tissue. Once you've scanned the entire arch, the teeth will disappear from view, leaving you with a scan that displays only the gingiva, for precise visualization and design reference. Before moving forward with the scan bodies, you'll follow the same steps as you did prior to the gingival scan. Begin by marking each implant site, then press Done to proceed. Next, carefully place the appropriate scan bodies onto the implants, following the manufacturer's guidelines. Ensure each scan body is fully seated and correctly aligned. Once the scan bodies are in place, you'll begin scanning. Make sure to capture all relevant surfaces including the top, sides, and surrounding gingiva for precise alignment and accurate implant positioning. Before finalizing the scan, double-check that all scan bodies are clearly visible and have been fully captured. Once these scans are complete, you'll need to open a new case to scan the arches on your verified models. Ensure the models include indicators, as these are essential for accurately aligning any future model scans performed at the lab with the intraoral scans you've taken. When scanning the teeth on the models, be sure to enable model scanning under the Tools menu. This setting helps ensure optimal accuracy and detail during the scanning process. Do your best to capture the joint between the analogs and the arches as clearly as possible. At Simplified, our mission is to transform complex dental processes into streamlined workflows, delivering exquisite prosthetics crafted from the highest quality materials. We are committed to setting realistic expectations and consistently exceeding them in thoughtful, innovative ways, ensuring both clinicians and patients experience exceptional results at every step.